On Caladan, we ruled with air and sea power. Here, we must scrabble for desert power.
Move slowly, and the day of your revenge will come.
This is your inheritance.
Speed is a device of Shaitan.
Thus, there will always be a desert on Arrakis.
Thing that I,
What is to become of you?
Baron Vladimir Harkonnen, do?
If anything happens to me,
And tries to toughen
Your
us.
enemy was overwhelming,
you'll not be a relic.
yet you ruled with him.
We
Yes.
have a saying.
But-
God created Arrakis to train the faithful.
Arrakis.
To hold Arrakis, you're faced with
Arrakis
Unique
is our enemy.
This
What?
is my future.
Is my
This is my honor.
This is my vengeance.
Was?
This is my doom.
Spice Wars. Was? Gewürzkriege? Spice Girls. Hä? Strategiespiel, okay.
Please welcome two of the stars of the upcoming Tiny Tina's Wonderlands.
Aber
Ashley Burch
cool.
and Will Arnett.
Gut, ich habe ja auch bekommen, dass wohl die Dune-Verfilmung wohl ziemlich gut sein soll. Also das Remake. Mal gucken.
Oh, what's up, baby girls? Thank you for having us. We are so excited to reveal a bit about the story in Tiny Tina's Wonderlands.
And
Ah,
are we talking
Chloe
about the Dragon
Price.
Lord yet?
Yes,
Ist nämlich
Will
dieselbe
plays
Stimme.
the Dragon Lord, the central villain within the Wonderlands.
Yes, but in a clever twist, I turn out to be the underdog hero of the entire realm, and it's really beautiful. And it's actually one of the main reasons that I took this role, so.
No.
What do you mean, no?
You play a necromantic overlord, and not the good kind.
Well, he's a job creator for millions of unemployed individuals.
He raises the dead, man.
Yeah, and he gives them stuff to do, okay? Some of them get to sail, some form a rock band. A lot of them, like, I don't know, stab things or something.
Ja, ich denke mal, wir werden einen neuen Trailer
Do you
zu,
really not
zu
know the
Tiny
story
Tina's
of the
Wonderland
game that you're
Sure.
sehen.
No, you mean the whimsical adventure?
Weil da hat
from
man auch
the
nicht sehr viel
13-year-old
mitbekommen.
demolitions, expert? Yeah. Who
Ich meine, beim letzten Mal war das, glaube ich, beim
tries to
Summer
blow up
Game
the
Fest,
heroes
soweit
for
ich
40
weiß.
levels. Yeah, so if anyone is the central villain here, it's Tiny Tina.
All right, roll the damn trailer.
Man hört sofort Chloe Price raus, ey.
There is a world beyond the borderlands. A world forged by wonder and ruled by fate.
Bunker so badasses.
There's one alone who can wield fate. One alone whose story is in their own hands.